My name is Brendalyn Gerardo, and I'm currently enrolled with the practical nursing course in St. Lawrence College at the Cornwall campus. I want to be a nurse, so I called the school and they referred me to the college prep program. And I spoke with them and explained to them what I want. And then they guided me through the process in how to do it for me to be able to finish 2 courses so that I would be able to join the course next semester. And I did it. They're very supportive. It's a very welcoming environment. The instructors went above and beyond to what they can do to really help me and guide me all the way until I finish the course. So with all the support from my instructor, like they provided everything I need, they helped me arrange time management, most especially until I finished the course, and it helped me a lot. It's a passion. It's something like I love to do. So no matter how hard it is, I will go and do it. I work as a full-time PSW at the hospital, and I'm a single mom. So I struggled from work into going to school, plus with my family. So I'm at the point where I can't do this anymore. Actually, I stopped going to school, and my instructors were always there, like, how are you doing? Are you coming back? You have to come back and finish this. You will make it. You will do good. You're actually doing great. So all those encouragement that they provided me pushed me really, really hard to come back and finish my course. I would say go and do it. This is the best stepping stone, the first step that you would do, and they will really guide you. You will never fail. It was excellent. I will never forget. I owe them so much.